Consider this. Each year, $100 billion are invested in medical research in the U.S., contributing to a global rate of one published discovery every 30 seconds, producing thousands, hundreds, dozens, only 20 to 25 FDA-approved medicines and therapies. To think that so much research funding, talent, and creativity is producing so few treatments is incomprehensible. One huge roadblock known as the Valley of Death is a black hole for thousands of scientific discoveries. Over 40% never receive attention beyond a single publication. The vast majority of academic research drops into the abyss because academic laboratories, where these discoveries are made, typically do not have the funding, infrastructure, or resources to design therapies and take them through the drug development pipeline up to clinical trials where the pharma industry is willing to take the billion-dollar risk to create a commercial product. For Batten disease research to be successful, a sound strategy to bridge the abyss between discovery and treatment must be developed. As a nonprofit committed to improving the quality of life for patients and families, and not being published or making a profit, we're in a unique position to make this happen. First, we must understand the molecular basis of Batten by reviewing and building upon the more than 1,700 peer-reviewed articles published over the past 40 years, understanding where the gaps are, and investing in research with the highest therapeutic potential. Next, we need to partner with uniquely qualified experts in drug and biological product design to determine which discoveries have the greatest potential. We need to confirm that results obtained in animal models and human cell cultures can be translated into medicine, and we need to ensure medicines are safe and effective. And to ensure the efficacy of clinical trials, we need to gather experts and invest in tools like registries to collect patients, natural history studies that carefully outline disease progression, and biomarkers capable of measuring treatment response. Research and development are expensive ventures. Some estimate it takes an average of $1.3 billion and 12 years to bring a successful drug to market. With this in mind, we're building a business model that is collaborative, mission-driven, strategic in our allocation of funds, and results-oriented. The goal is to accelerate treatment while lowering cost. We are working together with Batten and other neurological disease foundations across the globe to form a seamless strategy so we don't fall short of our goals. Together, we are creating coalitions focused on common hurdles like exploring drug targets that are relevant to all of our diseases. We are participating in creating funding mechanisms that empower researchers to make their work attractive to new government programs and industry partners, and are engaging key decision makers to find a cure. We're funding researchers to use advanced scientific databases and next-generation mathematics to analyze and apply biological information to drug discovery. We're investing in robotic and software technologies to screen thousands of promising compounds for their treatment potential, while also testing existing medicines for better symptom management and treatment. And guess what's happening? The doors to pharma are starting to open. By doing all of this, we're attacking the problem from all sides, even prevention. The Batten disease research community has a history of engaging in cutting-edge research, called to action and supported by affected families. The first gene therapy trial for the treatment of a neurological disorder and one of the first trials in lysosomal storage diseases were in Batten disease. For us, there will be only one clear measure of success: providing treatments and cures for Batten disease. We will continue to be groundbreakers. We are empowered with information that drives us in promising directions and provides us with reasons to be optimistic, hopeful, and energized to close the gap between here and a cure.